Okay, so we are going to see that how can we read some file using Python. So it is my file and I can write this R function, and whatever is there in the file I can use this statement in order to check, like I can show the statement using the print statement. Okay, not the statement, actually the content from the file. So 2.txt I'm having, and the file is containing hello world. So in main.py I am opening 2.txt, that is okay. Instead of a I am writing R. Okay, and in the next line I can write print print f1 dot read. Okay, read function is there, and with the help of this read function I can read the contents from the file. Let's run our program, and hello world is there. Simple thing. Okay, this is read function. We can read something from the file. Next, let's see. Okay, if the file is some other folder or some other directory, then we just need to write the entire location of the folder along with the file name. You can try it out, but one issue is there that generally it was showing an error when I was testing it out. You can try it out. Okay, you can try it out. You can write the folder name and then the file name and then the read function. Hopefully it will work. Next, read line. Read line is we can read a file and we can only return a line using the read line function. Okay, what does it actually mean? Basically, we are having this file and the file is containing only one line. In the second line, we don't have anything. So let me write something h1, h2, h3, something like this. Okay, some text are over here in this file. Now I am going to use the read line function in my file to to print the statements or the contents of the file line by line. Okay, so instead of read, I am writing read line. I think it will print only hello world because it is only printing the first line. Okay, it is only printing the first line. Now if I want to again print the second line or the other lines, then I can again rewrite the same code like f1 dot read line. That's it. Now in the second statement that I have written over here, it should print the second line h1. See, h1 it has printed. Okay. Now using the readline function, how can we print everything from the file? We can put a for loop. So how many lines are there? 4 lines, I guess. Hmm. So for I in range 4 print f1 dot read line. All of this, we are getting all of the contents from the files. It's working. Readline function. Okay. Next, uh, we have seen reading a file. What? Hmm. Right. Then f1 dot read line is it. Okay, let me do one thing over here. No, if I write 2 over here, then it is only printing the first two statement. Okay, let me do one thing. Mm, I think if you want to access the second line, then what we can do? Hmm. Like this, f1 dot read line is equal to hello world. Then pass, then print. Okay, let's see if it is working. Yeah. This can be one method, but it's not efficient because suppose we are having a file and we don't know what is there in the file, then this method will not work. Then if okay, if one dot I want to print the second line, right? f1 dot read line, and I can use the pass keyword over here, and then if I print it, yeah, this is an efficient way that you can use. It is ignoring the first line. See, I want to print the second line, so I am ignoring the first line using the pass keyword. F1 dot read line, then pass, and then obviously I am using the print statement over here. It's working. Or if I remove the pass keyword, then let's see, I think then it will also work. Yeah, because I have already used a read line, so the interpreter understanding that I have used a read line, so for the second read line, it will print the second line. We can do this. So we can also remove that keyword. Okay, we can also remove the pass keyword over here. So yeah, okay. I hope it's recording or something. Mhm. Okay, let me close it. I think this will be enough.